Alright guys, welcome back to another brand new video. Hope you guys are all doing well today. Today I do want to, talk about Bitcoin and crypto, give you guys a little update what is happening with the markets today. Bitcoin is looking much better today. Okay, and altcoins are bouncing back up. Okay, there is in fact a fair few charts as usual that I do want to show you guys because soon enough guys, Bitcoin is about to reach a new all-time high. We know guys. Okay, and if you guys don't know, but if you guys have in fact been in the crypto space, if you guys are in fact true Bitcoiners, then you guys would know that Bitcoin always reaches new highs every single time we enter a new bull cycle. And if you guys don't believe me, there is in fact a chart, one specific chart that I do want to show you guys, that I will show you guys towards the end of this video, right? Save the best for last. That Bitcoin always reaches new highs every single time we enter a new bull cycle. And I think I've showed you guys this chart before, but I want to show you guys it again. I don't think I showed you guys this one specific one. So I really want to show you guys it in today's video. It's probably in the thumbnail. But anyways, let me go ahead and give you guys a little update. What's happening with Bitcoin today in the crypto market, and then we'll get into the charts as usual. So Bitcoin today, like I said, is looking much better than where it was yesterday. We saw Bitcoin yesterday dropping and went all the way as low as $58.9 thousand. Okay, 58.9, just below $59,000. And now Bitcoin today is back up above $60,000, and now it's currently at $62.4 thousand. Okay, earlier this morning it was actually as high as $63.4 thousand. Okay, so Bitcoin today is bouncing back up to the upside, and this is obviously a great example of Bitcoin moving, right? Literally just yesterday Bitcoin was below $59,000. Now it's sitting at $62.4 thousand in just a matter of hours, right? Y'all can clearly see that. So Bitcoin has in fact been pumping, and yeah, like I said, this is a great example of how Bitcoin moves. Bitcoin can move fast guys in a very short time period. Understand that, and this is just a great example of that, right? So Bitcoin is up, okay, today. Ethereum's back at $2.4 thousand, which is great to see for Ethereum. Solana is now back above 140. Now it's at $145. Great to see for Solana. Chainlink right now back up, okay, almost at $11. I actually did hit $11, now slightly back down, but that is okay. Chainlink is looking pretty good today. Yeah, and altcoins today are looking pretty good. The market today, okay, the crypto market's up over 3%, 3.1%. Global crypto market cap still sitting at 2.1 trillion, almost 2.2 trillion. Great to see. So yeah, past 24 hours, both Bitcoin and Ethereum are up. Okay, Bitcoin is up through almost 4%. Ethereum is up over 2%. And yeah, BNB, Solana, right, Dogecoin, XRP, okay, Toncoin, Cardano, Avalanche, Sheep, Chainlink. A lot of alts today are up. Look at Sui, up over 10%, 11%. Great to see. So yeah, a lot of altcoins are in fact bouncing back up. Look at Dog with Hat, okay, 12%. Seems like memes are moving back up to the upside. Great to see for meme coins. So yeah, overall the market today is looking much more better than where it was yesterday, right? But I want to talk about this real quick, okay? MicroStrategy stock did over $6.27 billion in trading volume today. Okay, this is the Bitcoin effect, guys, right? We know Michael Saylor has in fact been stocking up on Bitcoin. Okay, we know he's pretty much a Bitcoin maxi, right? And this is the Bitcoin effect, guys, right? You guys can just clearly see, okay, MicroStrategy stock is up over 11% today. 11%, guys. This is amazing, right? This is truly the Bitcoin effect. And I told you guys, right, we know Michael Saylor, he's already very wealthy. He's obviously a billionaire, but I really do believe that in the future, Michael Saylor's net worth will be in hundreds and billions of dollars, just like with Jeff Bezos and Elon Musk, right? So I really do believe, okay, Michael Saylor will become more wealthy, right? He's already wealthy, but his net worth will be way more because we know Bitcoin will skyrocket. Okay, it's going to reach in the six figs very, very soon. And I know his net worth will be obviously much, much higher, right? So this is amazing, guys. 11% for MicroStrategy stock, right? It's up 11% today, which is absolutely amazing to see. Okay, this is truly the Bitcoin effect, right? Now, getting into these charts, starting off with this one. So we know, guys, the election is coming up. Okay, in less than a month time. Okay, I want to say about 3 weeks time, maybe, early November next month. That is when we will in fact have our next US election. And we know, guys, it's either going to be Kamala Harris or Donald Trump, right? That's going to win this election. Okay, now obviously if Donald Trump wins, it will be much more bullish for Bitcoin and crypto. But as I told you guys many times, it truly does not matter who actually wins. Either way, Bitcoin is going to pump. Okay, a lot of people think, if Kamala Harris wins, okay, Bitcoin will dump. But I don't think that's the case here, right? Because either way, Bitcoin is going to have a massive rally up to the upside. And you guys can clearly see in this chart, right? Every single time we have a US election, Bitcoin pumps right after it. Every single time we see a rally, okay, a massive parabolic movement happening for Bitcoin every single time. Okay, and this chart clearly just shows you guys that. It's just like with the Bitcoin halving event, right? Every single time right after it, we always see a bull run occur right after it. It's the same with the US elections. Okay, you guys can clearly see that. And the US elections happens in Q4, right? So you guys can clearly see we are about to see a massive rally. Okay, every single time, okay, right after US election, it always rallies. I don't see why this time will be different. It's going to be the exact same. Okay, so understand, guys, it doesn't really matter who wins. Either way, Bitcoin will reach new highs. We're going to see a massive rally. Same with altcoins. We know alt season is right around the corner as well. So get ready for a massive rally, guys. And this is actually another chart that I want to show you guys. Okay, what happens right after the US election. So you guys can clearly see back 2020 2021 election, Bitcoin pumped right after it. Same with 2016 and 2017, right? This time around, 2024 to 2025 will be no different. Understand that, right? So all my Bitcoin holders out there, get ready for a massive rally coming for Bitcoin. Bitcoin will be in the six figs towards the end of this year in 2024. As I told you guys many times, I truly still believe that Bitcoin is still on track to reaching at least $100,000 towards the end of this year in 2024. Okay, and if it doesn't, then it's going to happen early next year in 2025. Either way, okay, we're going to end off this year at Bitcoin, seeing Bitcoin at a new all-time high. Bitcoin will be much higher than where it is right now. Okay, at 62K. It's going to be much higher than that. Trust me, guys. Mark my words. So I understand Bitcoin could be at $80,000. I think it's going to be way higher than that, like $90,000 to even 100K and beyond, right? But we will see, okay? So, as I told you guys, this is a key level to watch. We know Bitcoin has, in fact, been consolidating. Okay, it pumped up to a new all-time high above $73,000 back in March this year, so a couple months back. And ever since we saw Bitcoin reaching a new all-time high, above $73,000, it's just been consolidating, right? You guys just clearly see that. I've showed you guys this pattern many times. Okay, we are in fact clearly seeing a strong resistance and a support level. And I told you guys, this resistance line is a key level, right? This is a key level because once we actually see a breakout from this resistance line, okay, a very clear breakout from this resistance, just like what this chart is in fact showing us here, we will see Bitcoin shooting higher. Okay, and from there on, it's going to be history for Bitcoin. Bitcoin's going to be reaching $80,000 to $90,000 to even $100,000 and beyond. All we have to look for is just a clear breakout from this resistance. And from there on, it's going to be history for Bitcoin. Bitcoin will skyrocket to a new high. Okay, so understand, guys, this is a very crucial level to watch. Keep your eyes on this level right here, this resistance line, because once we see a clear breakout from there on, it's going to be history for Bitcoin, right? So get ready for that. It's all about patience, guys, okay? And for the people out there that are truly patient, the ones that have been buying the dips, the ones that have been buying DCAing, I should say, right, into Bitcoin and crypto, right, you will be rewarded very soon. For the people out there that didn't panic sell, right, Didn't get out. You've just been patiently waiting, buying, continuing to buy the dips, right? When there was fear in the market, you continued to buy, right? You were patient about it, right? And most importantly, you didn't sell, right? You didn't get out. You had diamond hands. You will be rewarded very, very soon. Trust me on that. Very, very soon, you will be rewarded huge, right? So get ready, okay? Now, this is the chart that I wanted to show you guys, okay? And you guys can just clearly see every single time, okay, we enter a new bull cycle, okay? Bitcoin always tends to reach a new all-time high every single time, okay? So Yasin's clearly see it went from $1,200. That was huge, right? Then it dropped, and then it went from 14K. It was actually much higher than that. It was around 18 to 19K, almost 20K, right? And then it dropped. And then it went from 59K. But that's not actually true. It went all the way up to about 69K. I don't know why this chart is showing 59K and 40K. It's actually much higher than that, right? But anyways, yes, we saw Bitcoin reaching 69K, right? And then it dropped. We know that, right? So right now, Bitcoin's going to be in the six figures for the first time ever for Bitcoin history, USD, right? When other currencies for Bitcoin have in fact been, reaching over $100,000 already. Like for example, I believe the yen, right? Japanese yen, and of course AUD, right? Which is where I am, right? Because I do live in Australia, if you guys didn't know. But yes, for the first time ever, for Bitcoin USD, right? It's going to be in the six figures. And this is huge, right? This is going to be history in the making, right? So 100K, 150, 180, 200K and beyond, even 300K and beyond is very, very possible. So you guys can just clearly see in this chart, Bitcoin always reaches new highs every single time we enter a new bull cycle. Every single time, it always reaches new highs. So for all my Bitcoin holders out there, get ready for Bitcoin to be in the six figures. For the first time ever in Bitcoin history, this is going to be huge. And then, of course, it's going to be at $800K to $1 million and beyond. We know, guys, Bitcoin is a digital asset that's going to be worth millions, not just 1 million, millions of dollars one day in the future. Of course, I am talking long term, not short term. So get ready, guys. This is why I've been telling guys to accumulate at least one full Bitcoin, because if you simply own one full Bitcoin and hold this one full Bitcoin for a lifetime, you will be very, very wealthy in the future. Mark my words on that. Right, and that's why I've been telling guys, I've been begging you guys to accumulate at least one full coin, right, of a Bitcoin. Okay, so that's that. No financial advice, always doing research. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end today's video. I will obviously, keep you guys updated on what's gonna happen with Bitcoin. But Bitcoin today is looking much better today than where it was yesterday. So it's looking much better. We are in fact seeing a V-shaped recovery. Okay, you guys can clearly see that, a V-shaped recovery. So it's looking pretty good today for Bitcoin. But yeah, we'll keep you guys updated on what's going to happen with Bitcoin in the next few days. But I really do believe October is still here and it's still on track, right, to do some amazing things. So guys, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you guys have not yet already. I really would appreciate that. And I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.